Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange. This is the second video, and we are going to use a couple of multimeters to test circuits. And you don't need electricity to test circuits or fuses because your multimeter is your power source. So before you take the fuses off and everything, make sure the power is off to the machine. I bought this inexpensive Gardner Bender voltage thing, and it's inductive, so it can sense when there's electricity on. So no electricity this way. So we turned off the fuses. Okay, so here is an inexpensive $20 multimeter. It does not have as many features as this Fluke, which has an audible continuity tester, meaning that it makes a noise when you have continuity. So $20 versus $600. You'd think the $600 one would have a rechargeable battery, but that's my problem. So on the less expensive one, look for an omega sign, and you're going to measure resistance. Set it to I have it at 200K. So, and best practice is to make the 1 turn into a 0 on here. Okay, so we're going to test a good one, a good fuse, and it will jump, meaning you have continuity. Well, maybe it doesn't. Oh, that was the bad one. Okay, here's a good one. Okay, it jumped. So you have electricity flowing through the fuse. So, okay, for making everything easier, we're just going to use the Fluke with the audible continuity sensor. And that one looks like this, like a speaker or sound wave, whatever it is. So I have that set up, and we're going to test the fuse. So it makes a noise. Okay, so here is your wires to your IR panel again. So we'll put one here, and no electricity on because this is high amps usually. So we'll put one here and put one through there. Okay, see why it's beeping? Because it's loose. So when they're loose like this, change this connector, and sometimes you have to change all the wires out because you can almost break them. So, and then here's something similar to an IR panel. Okay, and we'll test that for continuity. So go to your IR panel and simply go to the two leads. They're usually 220, sometimes they're 110. You put one on that lead and one on that lead and turn off the electricity. That's measuring at 18 ohms. So the audible continuity test is still testing ohms. We can go to a breaker as well and test it that way, or one of these, and so forth. So if we go with the electricity off, of course, because we don't need electricity and you'll blow your multimeter, we have continuity. Electricity is flowing. So that is the video. It's not that difficult. You'll save thousands of dollars if you know how to use a multimeter. Go to screenprintexchange.com. Thank you, and like this video. Bye.